Are you tired of dealing with compacted soil, thin grass, or water runoff on your lawn? Then it's time to try Core Aeration with Moore's Lawn Maintenance. Our professional Core Aeration service is designed to help your lawn thrive by improving soil health and reducing compaction. With over 30 years of experience and the latest equipment, our team can help your lawn look its best. During the Core Aeration process, we'll remove small plugs of soil from your lawn, allowing water, air, and nutrients to penetrate deeper into the soil. This promotes root growth, improves drainage, and helps your lawn stay healthy and green. Not only does Core Aeration improve the health of your lawn, but it also enhances its appearance. You'll notice thicker, fuller grass and fewer bare spots. Plus, with our affordable pricing and easy online contact form, scheduling your Core Aeration service has never been easier. So why wait? Visit mooreslawnmaintenance.com today to book your Core Aeration service and give your lawn the boost it deserves.